Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are celebrating a crazy day. So 13 years ago, Laszlo, a Floridian programmer, bought 2 Papa John's pizzas for 10k of Bitcoin, and today those pizzas would be valued around $660 million. So happy Bitcoin's Pizza Day. And yeah, let's go. I've got exciting topic today because we're seeing Ethereum ETF approval in decisions of SEC, and that's crazy news for everyone who invests in crypto, and that's why we are seeing massively gains. Yesterday, Ethereum climbed around 27%, and this is crazy. This is just a beginning of altcoin season. This is just the beginning of everything of what you've been waiting for. This is a green light for crypto enthusiasts, because the crypto gold rush is starting right now and you don't want to be late. I mean, you're early. The crypto altcoin season is starting right now. You don't want to be late to this train, and just let's go. I just want to show you this week we got Panther bubbles. You know, all the bubbles, almost all of them are green, and that's why this is happy, because like no one expected that this year SEC gonna approve and we gonna have Ethereum ETF, and everyone was saying, you know, it will be on 2025 at the best. And now, like randomly, SEC give us some knowledge that we can probably get Ethereum ETF in May 24. So yeah, I mean, this is politics probably, you know, government power involved, of course, and this is a green sign that they understand the value of cryptocurrency, and they don't want to be late in the train, and they don't want to miss the train. You know, this is not even a train, this is a rocket train. You know, we're gonna go to the moon, and that's it. You know, there's no other option. And yeah, I mean, this is not financial advice. Before you like invest in anything, do your own research, and this is my opinion, this is my beliefs, and I really do believe that we're gonna see a Bitcoin climbing crazy, we're gonna see Ethereum crazy growth, and yeah, we're gonna see altcoins getting massive growth. But all the altcoins that got value will show a nice increase. And you know, even meme coins, because meme coins showing the massive gains, and they're the drivers. They will be the drivers of this altcoin season train. And you don't wanna miss your meme coin investments. You don't want to do that, and you need to understand you cannot only choose a valuable coins that has a value, because like meme coins, maybe they don't have a lot of value, but they still got some values that early investors in crypto, especially the new investors in cryptocurrencies, they want high gains. You know, like what happened, you know, with Bitcoin in early stages like 13 years ago. They want to feel that 10k% growth. They want to feel that, and meme coins are, I think, the only option right now to get some fast money, but it's the most riskiest stuff in cryptocurrency, because it can go down to zero, and you just don't want to risk it all. You can risk maybe, you know, 1 to 2% of your portfolio, but not to go all in would be stupid. But it's just my opinion. You know, you can do whatever you want with your money. I would say right now you need to focus on Bitcoin and be prepared on a massive increase. Look, right now I want to show you this chart. This is the stage where like we're still thinking what's going on, the Bitcoin, with the cryptocurrencies, we saw a nice high yesterday. So it increased infinite. We saw like, a pretty green day, and now we're still, it went a bit, it was a pullback. And I was saying on 71K.3, I was saying that, we might see a pullback, and that's what happened. It went down, and now especially retail investors are thinking what's going on, and that's why we got these lines, and we are retesting the lower lows, and we are still managing to see where Bitcoin will go. But the answer is Bitcoin will go up in the long term, especially in this month and next month. Bitcoin will go up, but I'm still waiting for at least pull back to 68, at least, in the middle of this, and then we will have another zone that we need to retest. And that's when a lot of people will understand that they have an opportunity to buy on 68 before it goes to 100K. That's my thoughts about Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will show us massive gains, especially if Ethereum ETF gets approved. And let's just see Ethereum. Ethereum is not thinking of going down, and it's a bit strange because I think it should be a pullback before the approval. Like, I give 90% that Ethereum ETF will be approved, because BlackRock is really, really strong in those decision makers, and SEC has no option but to approve Ethereum. But the question is, will Ethereum will be staked? Because Ethereum is proof of stake, and when you're staking your Ethereum, you're making even more money. And in my perspective, Ethereum ETF should be staked because it's ETF and it's gonna stay. And it would be dumb if you couldn't stake your Ethereum. ETF is a tool for people that they don't know how to buy, for example, cryptocurrencies, and they want to invest in it, but it's too risky. They don't know what is blockchain, what is decentralized exchange, and stuff like that, and where to buy it. It's hard to create for them Coinbase account or Bybit or something like that. It's just difficult, and maybe they were working with brokers that helps them investing. And like, for example, BlackRock manages 10 trillions of dollars, and it's other people's money. So that BlackRock customers, they wanted to invest their money into crypto, into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, because it's one of the best investments right now. And they understand because they got money. So smart money knows where to put their money, and you need to just follow them. And this is obvious because Ethereum ETF will get approved. And if we get Ethereum ETF approved, we need to understand that Coinbase probably gonna be that exchange that will do the ETF. And look at the Coinbase stock. The stock is climbing because everyone understands that Coinbase probably will be Ethereum choice for ETF. And I think Coinbase will show us massive gains because it's getting stronger and stronger. More and more people starting to use Coinbase. Of course, it's easy to use. Like, Coinbase is user-friendly platform. Coinbase is a nice platform, and I really like it. So you should watch Coinbase Talk and Base Crypto. And just don't forget, because when Ethereum ETF gonna get approved, so basically Coinbase gonna move with them together, because Coinbase is moving similarly like Bitcoin and Ethereum, similar to cryptocurrencies. And this is crazy. This is crazy because it's a nice investment. I really don't like to invest in stock market right now because I believe that crypto is just a better choice for me. I've still got some stocks that I'm interested in, and the one and only stock, in my opinion, the number one stock right now is NVIDIA. NVIDIA's earnings it's gonna be today, and the earnings gonna be massive. So you need to understand that NVIDIA is going to show us why AI will stay, and why AI sector is booming right now, because AI is great. And NVIDIA, there is a chart, NVIDIA's revenue growth, and people are predicting that in 2025 the earnings gonna reach 25 billion. So this is no brainer. It's just going strong. NVIDIA is gonna be the top mover probably the next 10 years still, because they're making valuable things for customers, and their customers are the big whales in this world. And that's why the whales we are talking about is Amazon, Google, Meta, Microsoft. And look at the NVIDIA's monster run. Look, this is compared with Nasdaq that did 32% increase during the same period. So look how NVIDIA is moving and how is Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is basically just to save your money from inflation, and NVIDIA is showing how you're making money. This is crazy. This is crazy. And let's see the stock. The stock pretty nice. The stock is just climbing. I want to show you. There was this pullback, this one, and then I was saying that this is a nice opportunity to buy in, and of course, and I was shorting from here. I was shorting this, and then I bought here again, and now we're seeing massively gains on NVIDIA. And now what I want to say, even if it's not if NVIDIA's NVIDIA's earnings report gonna be massive, and it will be more than people are expecting from it. And even if the NVIDIA's earnings gonna be much higher than it is expected, it's still gonna show us some red candles, and then it will be a pull up. We're gonna see a drop probably to, I think we're gonna even test 800 something levels, and then we're gonna see climbing to 1K plus. And it's normal. It's normal because on the earnings day we are seeing that massive companies, in my trading career, I've seen, for example, Tesla's reports where every time it was crazy good, but the stock plummets, they drop 10%. And it's normal because you need to sell the news and buy the rumor, and the news are great for NVIDIA, and probably some of the people will want to cash out and then wait for another good buying zone. For example, 890, this level 880. And yeah, that's how trading works. If you just sell on top, because it's pretty top right now. Okay, let's agree with that. It's pretty top right now. We're gonna see a move probably. I'm not sure about this, but I would guess that we're gonna see a drop to 880, 890, and then yeah, we're gonna reach a new all-time high on NVIDIA, and this is okay. I'm really excited with NVIDIA's earnings because it will show us that AI is here to stay. AI is the thing that everyone will have to implement in their business because there's no other option, you know. Are you want to waste time on things that AI can do, or you can do other things, you know? That's how the humanity improves. So AI will help us to reach other levels on everything. And yeah, let's just talk about Ethereum right now, because Ethereum ETF is the main thing. And what I want to say, because Ethereum gave us a nice green bubbles, and you know, now I'm waiting for a pullback, but maybe I won't see it, you know, maybe I won't see it. And the thing is about Bitcoin and Ethereum, you just need to hold and buy on the lows. You know, when it drops, you know, you still hold. You don't need to sell. You don't need to sell. Like my strategy is just stack more, stack more. Don't sell, stack more. It goes down, you buy, right? Then goes up, you don't sell. You just wait, and be patient, because like, okay, like the thing is why Ethereum ETF could be not approved is because crypto market is manipulated, and manipulation happens everywhere, in stock market too. So this is the only thing I think that matters right now to ECC, because SEC thinks that, like, maybe if staking is not approved, then Ethereum still can be like, you know, ETF just with the price, and you don't need to stake it, right? You just buying the price, and that's simple. But like, it would be a dumb choice, but there's still an option. And maybe after, you know, after we're like getting a regular Ethereum ETF without staking, that would be like, you know, not really the best option for Ethereum holders that would want to invest, for example, in Ethereum in long term. They definitely wanted to stake, but they have no options just to buy ETF, for example, because they don't know how to create the wallet, the crypto wallet. And yeah, I mean, it would be disappointed for the investors that would want to buy the ETF. But you know, SEC decides to not let staking on Ethereum because they still don't understand how it works. And yeah, it's okay. And if Ethereum gets approved, even in this regular terms without staking, we're gonna see Ethereum going up to like probably instantly to 4.8, 4.9k. We're gonna see those levels. And my prediction was, I did my top 10 altcoins in this bull market, and my prediction at that bull market was Ethereum to 7k at least. We still have a lot of room to grow, and I still believe that this going to happen. Ethereum easily gonna reach 7k, and yeah, just enjoy the ride. I hope so. You invested into crypto markets in, like, you know, last week, for example, you still hold, and you felt this nice green candle, because in this market, in crypto market, we really wanted to see some gains, and now this is happening, and people are getting more excited and prepared for altcoin seasons. And yeah, Ethereum ETF gets approved. Watch Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is right now really quiet, because we got another like DJ and meme coins that moving better than Dogecoin, but Dogecoin is still really strong meme coin, because like, come on, 23 billion market cap, like, it says everything. And volume is getting higher because of Ethereum ETF, and Dogecoin is basically, you know, Ethereum's meme coin. Dogecoin was a nice investment in early days, you know, and I think Dogecoin will still reach pretty high levels. And yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure that Dogecoin gonna reach 70 for sure, maybe even 90 cents phase. And when people didn't believe that this going to happen, it will happen. And yeah, people were saying Ethereum is like already dead, and they traded Ethereum, they bridged Ethereum to Solana, for example. And yeah, of course, Solana is a nice investment. Solana's ETF probably gonna be the third ETF that we're gonna see in cryptocurrency. But why you move everything from Ethereum? Like come on, like I'm disappointed for everyone who said that Ethereum is bad investment, because now I have a strong word that Ethereum ETF probably gonna get approved, and it even doesn't matter if Ethereum ETF will be approved, because I still see Ethereum as the king of altcoins, and it's not gonna change. It's never gonna happen, it's never gonna change. Ethereum gonna still be king. And yeah, just believe in Ethereum. What else can I tell you guys? Smart money brings stability and credibility to the market, which could lead us to even higher highs than we could predict. And like people are predicting 150k, for example, in this market, in the bull market on Bitcoin. And I would say it could be even too low. It could be too low for it. I was predicting Bitcoin to, I think, 225k if it's like casual play. But I've said 250k would be if Bitcoin ETF will get approved and stuff like that. So I'm pretty sure Bitcoin will hit 250k in this bull market. But the thing is, like right now, gold rush started, and it's really similar like it was the gold rush, the real now, because this is digital gold. Like people like to say this Bitcoin is a digital gold, and it's fine. I agree with that, I guess. And yeah, it's really similar what happened in 1848 when gold rush started in the world, because it's similar with Bitcoin and Ethereum right now with crypto. And people started to realizing that this is the opportunity. We need to get everything to mine everything. And maybe the mining is not the best choice right now, but it will be in the future. So basically, mining Bitcoin is not profitable. You lose money when you're mining Bitcoin right now. And those miners who understands Bitcoin are making money. And people are saying that, okay, with the same price, you could buy just Bitcoin, for example, and not mine it, and it would be more profitable. I agree with that. Look, Bitcoin, for example, right now is 69k, okay? And to mine full Bitcoin would be probably about 74k, so you're losing 5k per Bitcoin. So imagine you could buy Bitcoin for 69k and not wasting, those 5k, and that 5k could be another investment in, for example, Ethereum. But the thing is, people already invested in those mining rigs, for example, into green energy. They created solar systems, they created a lot of green energy that provides the ability to mine Bitcoin cheaper. So like, some are wrong that mining is expensive, because we got green energy, and green energy is much cheaper. This is healthy for Bitcoin, because green miners are the best miners, the smartest miners, I would say, because you don't waste money on the energy. You get green energy, you got solar system, you got stuff like that. And this is what I would do it myself. I would create a massive, big green energy thing, buy a lot of mining rigs, and just leave it for 10 years. And let's see what's going to happen. And I'm pretty sure after 10 years, the profit's gonna be pretty huge. But okay, let's not talk that deep today. Let's just keep Ethereum ETF exciting. Let's pray for the God that it will be approved. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and yeah, stay updated, and happy investing, happy trading, and get some pizzas with your Bitcoin. Get some pizza.